It's moving day.
If she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these guns like you the Batman. You just wanna pull up in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. It's moving day. It is like 7, well, it's past 7:30 now, but it's early in the morning. Got the eye patches going to wake me up a little bit. Also, please don't mind my eyebrows. I'm literally gonna get them done tomorrow because I can't anymore. Like, I can't hold on any longer. I actually changed my mind and I'm gonna start living on campus earlier than I thought. So I think in my last video, I told you guys that I'm just moving all of my stuff in today, which is still happening. I'm still only gonna move my stuff in and I'm gonna come back home. But I'm only coming back home tomorrow to get my hair done in the morning, and then I'm gonna come back to campus. The reason for that is because campus is like throwing so many like fun events and parties, and I just feel like I'm missing out on all the fun, or I would be missing out if I stayed home the whole weekend before classes, on just like, you know, all the fun, meeting new people. So I'm gonna move all my stuff in today, get my hair done tomorrow morning, and come back to campus to start living there. So also, once again, it's very early, so I'm kind of like, I sound dead right now, but I promise later I will have more energy. But this is what we're dealing with today. Actually, that's not even it. There's this. I bought like a plastic dresser. Push this in. Got all my snacks, storm snacks, whatever. This is all my clothes that I'm bringing. I literally packed an entire suitcase, a backpack, and a string bag, and I most definitely overpacked every single one of them. Yeah, and then over here, I finally got all my boxes filled up, got some organizing bins that I already had, and oh my gosh, you guys, so I did end up getting a few more things for my dorm, so I wasn't able to like include it in the haul because I didn't get them until after, but I wanted a headboard. And originally, I was gonna get like one of those fancy dorm headboards from like Dormify, but they're so expensive on there. And I was like, okay, maybe I don't actually need one. I'm just being extra. Tell me why my mom found this like floating plush headboard from Walmart. Look how cute that is. Like, are you kidding? And it was only like $30. So yeah, I'm very happy about this. And you know, a few little other things that I was able to get. I do have all of my cleaning supplies, which is packed up. You guys can probably, mostly in this box, you can start seeing some of the stuff right there. But yeah, I am also bringing my TV because my roommate Taylor, she has a Nintendo Switch, so I'm convinced it's like the only reason one of us is bringing a TV so we can play Mario games. But my brother, who doesn't live with us at the moment, he has his old TV downstairs, and it's only like a little bit bigger than mine, so I'm just gonna put his TV in my room and use it like for when I'm home, and I'm gonna bring my TV to college because it's smaller and it's easier. But yeah, you guys, I honestly feel really good. Like, I am not that anxious today, surprisingly. I do feel a little anxious, but I'm not like nervous. I don't even know if those are supposed to be like two different things, or maybe they are the same, but I feel good. I feel calm, I feel collected, I feel content, but I'm also really hungry. So I'm gonna keep these eye patches on and just eat breakfast, you know, go about my morning. My move-in block doesn't start until like 11:20 is when we have to be there, so we still have a while. It's pretty early. Probably because it's like the morning time is when my block is. We'll probably get to campus in like 35 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast, get ready. I don't know when my parents want to start putting everything in the cars, but oh yeah, we're bringing my car and my mom's car, by the way, so I'm excited. So I'm getting ready. I already like brushed my teeth and did my skincare and all of that and got dressed. I'm just doing some really light makeup, but I have to make a couple of store runs very last minute before we start putting everything in the car and before we leave. I was literally at Walmart last night, but I always forget something, so I have to go back really quick because I need like a Swiffer mop, and then I also need to swing by Walgreens. Actually, no, I can probably just go to Walgreens later because all I need from there is lash glue, but I don't need that right now, so I'll get that later since I am coming back home. But I do have to go to Walmart real quick to get that mop so we can clean the room when we get there. You know when you do your makeup, but like you still look tired? Like it just doesn't cover up the tiredness in your eyes. I actually had a lot of energy when I woke up. I think it's starting to hit me now a little bit, like the tiredness. I'm just putting on a lash primer right now. All right, and while that's drying, you guys pretty much know my no makeup routine by now, but while that lash primer kind of dries down a little, I'm gonna just very lightly line my lips. Just makes them a little bit more defined and gives them some color. My boyfriend is going to be on campus. If you guys didn't know, we're going to the same college. He's a freshman. He's been on campus because he had football camp. So he's already there. He's been living on campus for most of the summer. He's probably at practice like as we speak, but he does have a break like at 12, like after 12, like for a while. So he's gonna swing by, help me out a little bit probably. Okay, mascara. Thankfully it's not gonna be like super hot today. It says it should only be like 80 something, which is not like that bad for August heat. Even when it's really hot, I just hate when it's humid. Like I don't mind if it's like 90 or something, but if it's humid, I feel like that's what makes it like so uncomfortable, like the heat. Just putting on a little bit of makeup because like I know I'm just gonna be moving stuff in today, but who knows. I'm gonna be like meeting new people. I just want to look a little presentable, you know what I mean? Because when I look good, I feel good. So you guys, my lashes are so long right now because I've been using this lash serum that I actually want to put you guys onto really quickly. This video is like not sponsored or anything, but I have been working with Lash. They sent me this is their eyelash serum. That's what it looks like. I literally just apply it every night and it's already made such a huge difference. They do also have a mascara, which I did post on my Instagram. Just like how like luxurious this packaging is. I love it. I'm just gonna set a little bit. I just realized I forgot to put sunscreen on my face before. Oh my god, I'm so mad I forgot to put sunscreen on now. Cause like I'm gonna be outside a lot. It's whatever. I literally wear it every day. It's like it'll only be like once or twice a week. I feel like I forget to put it on, but it's whatever. I packed up pretty much all my jewelry, so all I left out were these little earrings that I'm already wearing. But I'm gonna throw on this necklace that I have. My tia's visiting from DR and she got me this stunning little DR, like it's like the island pendant. I already had this chain. She just got me the pendant, so I put it on it since it was just like an empty chain. It is literally so pretty, and I still kind of want a little bit more jewelry because literally the only thing I'm wearing right now is my earrings because it's all I have out. I pretty much packed all of my jewelry up, so it's kind of hard to do with these nails. By the way, I got my nails done, you guys. You like it? I got them done yesterday with my girl Emily, of course, none other than Emily. I'll have her Instagram up on the screen, but I am literally obsessed with them. I just did like almond white French tip with like gems. Originally I wanted like pearls, but she didn't have them, which is fine. So I remember seeing like these nails with gems too, so it's like we can just do gems, and I love it because I feel like obviously it's a simple like set, but the gems definitely do like spice it up a little bit. It's kind of giving me Euphoria vibes. Okay, so even though my mirror is literally blocked by all of my stuff, I'm still gonna give you guys a little move-in day fit check. So I'm wearing this black set from Fashion Nova. My hat is Puma, and then I'm just wearing my Nike Air Max 90s, and I paired it with some Nike socks. Super cute, super comfy, obviously, since we're gonna be moving a lot of stuff around and it's hot, so yeah. I'm literally just gonna run to Walmart now because it's already like 9:30 and we plan on leaving like at 10:30, so I'm gonna go. I just got back home from Walmart a few minutes ago, but it's 10 o'clock and we are about to start packing the cars. I'm just out here because I have to take some stuff that I have in my trunk out of the car. This is literally like all my beach stuff, which sadly has to go. That's over. This is my fridge. I don't even know which way it opens. Okay.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
So, I'm literally dying, but we're getting started on moving everything in. Guys, this is literally so stressful. Hola, papi. El vlog. Move in, we're literally dying. Dude. Like, we're sick right now. We're sick. We're sick.
You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue.
This is where we're at right now. We haven't set up my headboard because I didn't buy the right command strips for it. But I'm gonna get those soon. This is Taylor's side. How's it going? My desk looks so cute. But we pretty much got a lot of the bigger stuff out of the way. Now we're just putting away like all like the smaller things. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Say hi, baby. I pretty much got everything set up. I'm not gonna show you guys everything like super in depth just because I do plan on doing like a dorm tour in the future. But everything came out so nice. I have to write on this calendar, but I'm so happy. Huh? It's a video.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah. I did that. Alright guys, so I know this vlog has been kind of choppy. It's honestly been like so stressful, but we're done. Everything is set up. I'm just sleeping. Taylor is walking around campus. So this is my side. Here's the mirror. It's just like a quick overview. I'll do like a more in-depth dorm tour in the future, but I painted that. We are sharing the microwave and the fridge, so there's that. I want to show you guys what we actually have in here. There's a little view from the fridge, and then obviously I figured this could be like a little nightstand, so I have like a lamp and why aren't you focusing? There we go, nightstand stuff. Here's how the bed came out. I'm so happy, you guys. Like, it came out exactly the way I wanted. Here's my sleeping boyfriend. I got him on Amazon. This is Taylor's side. She still has some stuff to put away, but yeah. And then our rug. We have our little, we're putting the fan here because it turns like both ways, so we can both use it. Here's my desk. We have my little makeup beauty setup here, and then the TV, my plants. And then our closets, this is Taylor's, and then this is mine, and then the calendar. I still have to set it up. And then I also want to show you guys the bathroom. So, bathroom, we set up a little bit of stuff there, and then the shower. Yeah, you guys, I'm super happy with the way the room came out. Like, I'm literally so excited. So, we're just gonna chill for a little bit. Probably gonna clean up some more. I had to set up this calendar. And then I am going back home for tonight, but tomorrow morning I'm getting my hair done, and then I'm gonna come back to campus to actually like start living here. But yeah. Hi guys, so I'm currently back home in my regular room, if you couldn't tell. I came back home to spend just one last night at home before I actually start living on campus. Also, I have a hair appointment in the morning to get my hair done, so I needed to come back anyways. Yeah, we just came back. I'm gonna get my hair done and my eyebrows done tomorrow morning, and then I'm gonna come back to campus to actually start living there. But I am literally so exhausted, you guys. I'm so thrilled to actually like sit down and talk to you guys because I feel like this vlog has been so choppy from the minute like we actually got into the room, because you know there was a lot to do and it was kind of chaotic at first, which I'm sure you guys understand. But I just feel really good to just sit and relax and actually talk to the camera. It was definitely very chaotic like feeling and stressful at first, you know, trying to find where exactly we had to park the car, getting everything up there in this heat because my building does not have elevators and I'm on the 3rd floor, so it was a lot. But once we really just started, like everything just started coming together, when we started setting everything up, I was feeling a lot more calm and it was all worth it, like all the stress, because the room came out perfect. I am so happy with it. Like I'm literally so, like I love my room, like I love my house, like absolutely love, but I actually can't wait to like start living in my dorm because she's so cute. She came out so cute, and I will be doing like an in-depth like dorm tour, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, I just ate. I'm literally so tired, but I feel gross because after like moving all that stuff and just touching so much stuff, I just need a shower. So I'm gonna shower, probably take a nap. I literally have homework to do, Classes haven't even started yet. I already have homework. I don't even want to think about it. But probably just do some homework like later tonight because I'm just so tired right now. Like I need a nap. But of course, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so excited for this new chapter of my life. Like I just feel good about everything that's ahead of me, the rest of this year, this semester, just everything. I just feel really content and just so happy and excited. So I really hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. If you've been watching all my college content and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? It's only up from here, like, come on. As always, my socials are going to be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!